Hello guys, this is Trayman 1993 here, and today we're going to be looking at some Lionel HO scale products here. Some pretty new ones here, and some of the old ones that just announced like around last year or something. Here's some pretty cool 282 Mikados here. Here's Pennsylvania, Santa Fe, Baltimore in Ohio, Chesapeake in Ohio, Great Northern, New York Central, and Union Pacific. The retail price on this is $289.99. Here's some cool gondolas here. Here's Burlington Northern, Conrail, which is nice, Norfolk Southern, New York Central, Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh and Lake Erie, Union Pacific, brown and yellow one, Southern Railway, Bethlehem Steel, Oregon Steel Mills, and the retail price is only $19.99. Here's a depressed center flat with two reels here. Here's Santa Fe, Burlington Northern Santa Fe, Great Northern, Pennsylvania Railroad, Penn Central, Trailer Train. Let's go to page 2 here. Bethlehem Steel. Retail price is only $22.99. Here's some work cabooses with cranes for the retail price of $22.99. Here's Santa Fe, Southern Pacific, Norfolk Southern, Pennsylvania Railroad, T-Rex Fossil Recovery, Bethlehem Steel, and we're now going to go to the ore cars. Here is HO Bessemer and Lake Erie ore cars 6-pack, Pack A, which retail price is $139.99. And here's Pack B here. Now, here's a ore car here. This retail price is only $24.99. Here's one in the Bessemer and Lake Erie paint scheme, which is pretty cool here. And here's some ex-Bessemer, Chicago Northwestern, ex-Bessemer and Lake Erie hot ore cars. Also the retail price of $139.99. Here's A and B. It's pretty cool here. Here's the Chicago Northwestern, ex-Bessemer and Lake Erie ore car. Now, Duluth, Mesabi, and Iron Range here. Pack A and Pack B ore cars. Duluth, Mesabi, and Iron Range ore car. Same price as I told you. Here's the Great Northern ore car, Pack A and B. Milwaukee Road, A and B here. Pretty nice here. Here's a Union Pacific A and B set of ore cars here. Which is pretty nice, though. Looks awesome. Now here's the HO scale Bessemer and Lake Erie 10 got it car. I can't pronounce that. 6-pack A, which is retail price is $139.99. It's the same as the one that I told you on the last vid. On the last ore car here. There's A and B. This is the retail price is the same as the other one, $24.99. Burlington Northern, Pack A and B. Canadian National here, which is pretty awesome. Here's the separate one. Duluth, Mesabi, and Iron Range here, A and B. Nice. Here's a specialty silver Duluth Masabi and Iron Range here, as well as a heritage paint scheme of it in the maroon colors and the blue ones, the light blue. Here's Great Northern, A and B, Milwaukee Road. And that's it for the ore cars. We're going to move on to some accessories here. Here's an HO scale building, Hogan House. Retail price is only $49.99 here. HO building service station, retail price $69.99. Pretty cool. There's a fire station, $69.99. As well as the schoolhouse. HO Yang House, $49.99. HO building detached garage 2-pack, only $29.99. HO building Hitchcock House, $79.99. HO building service station kit, $39.99. Detached garage 2-pack, $19.99, which is a kit right there. Schoolhouse, $49.99 kit. HO Birdhouse kit, Baird or something, $59.99. And we're going to move on to some operating accessories here. Here's some crossing singles here, which is pretty cool for Lionel, but I think they used the MRC tooling for this one. Retail price is only $24.99. Gooseneck lamps, 3-pack, $24.99. Traffic light with switch, 2-pack, $26.99. Two-way traffic light with switch, $24.99. Let's go with some figure accessories. HO pack fireman, $13.99. As well as the city park people. Crewers delivery man, $12.99. Plus size peoples, also $12.99. Sorry. HO picket fence in white, $13.99. Brown. Black is only. Here's an iron fence in black here, $14.99. As well as a green one. So that's it for the newest ones. Here's some recently announced stuff here. Well, these are pretty cool stuff here, guys. And train lovers. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well, guys, that should be wrapped up for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vid here. Pretty cool stuff here, and take care, stay safe, and have a good one. I'll see you on my next vid. Goodbye for now.